That's what he said.
I'm
Hi.
here. Hi.
Hi.
Claire.
Oh.
Hi, do you want shawarma?
Obviously, dude.
I'm sorry I was carried away.
Please, we want 2 king size shawarma, chicken shawarma precisely.
Alright.
Do you have that?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Be ready in 10 minutes.
Alright.
Yeah.
Sit down. Get a grip of yourself, girl. Come on.
Sorry.
Look at him, he's so cute. He's cute. Just like Harrison. And I'm sure he's a playboy too. Please sit down.